Hello everybody, it's Sarah Cray with Let's Make Art, and welcome to day 7 of our 12 days of giveaway. We have had the best time sharing these small businesses with you guys and celebrating you, because that's what this is all about. Thanking you for being here and introducing you to some small businesses that we know and love. For today, our giveaway item,
Sarah's used iPhone.
The screen is cracked. Isn't that great? No, our actual item is paint from a paint brand. Okay, this is the only item that I have yet to have tried on out of all of these giveaways, but I chose them because in the Let's Make Art watercolor group, which if you're not a part of, it's on Facebook. It's fantastic. I suggest that you join. They are talked about a lot with so much love. Like this brand, I can tell that people really love the quality and they get so excited to get them. So when I was scrolling through the group and I was seeing just comment after this like small business handmade paint brand, I was like, okay, we got to do something special with this. So the brand is called Beam Paints. And the winner will receive this set here, which is their Spectrum 11 set. It's their most popular colors.
Love it.
And the reason why I don't have one here is just because it's the holidays and shipping takes time and is a little bit crazy. And honestly, I'm not mad about it, because from one small business to another small business, whenever like shipping is delayed or takes longer than you anticipated, I just want to like give you the biggest hug, because there is nothing more stressful as a business owner than like your customers being like, where is my stuff? And you're like, I would give anything to be able to get you your things.
It's in the mail somewhere.
It's in the mail somewhere. I have no control from the post office. Like so many things just come up, especially when it comes to physical product and getting things out the door. So anyways, that's why we do not have it here that I could swatch it. But I did order a paint set for myself, so I will be able to enjoy them. And then the winner of this giveaway will receive that set of 11 from Beam Paints.
Excellent.
Okay. So Michael,
We ready?
drum roll for the winner.
Day 7's winner of the Beam Paint set is Allison Hutchins.
Allison, congratulations. I hope you enjoyed Beam Paints. They seem fantastic. I was scrolling through their website and just seeing the story of how they started, where it looks like the owner's dad like taught them about finding pigment out in the wild and how to make paint from that. It just seems like a really special company. So I'm really excited to try them. I hope you enjoy them so much. If you guys are not sure how to enter, then you can just follow us on any of Let's Make Art social medias, email, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. That enters you automatically, and that's where we're pulling from. I think that's all I gotta say.
That's it.
You guys, thank you so much for being here. We're gonna list where you can find Beam Paints in our caption, and we will see you guys back for day 8. Bye.